Welcome to Riley Fernandez, and today we are gonna play Fling Things and People. So today we are gonna survive. Yep, we're gonna make
A base.
we're gonna make a base in DIY. We're not gonna use houses, cause yeah. And we are just gonna play. Like, kung rare, ito yung zombies, tapos kami yung survivors. So we gotta, yep. Z, let's add some sound, dude. Oh, this is cool sound. Let's go. Guys, I hope we survive.
Ate, base natin to base.
No, see, that's not our base. Itong base natin, no?
Ate, alit anok.
Where should we go? Ay, see, sa tabi ng mga ano natin liparan, Z. Dito tayo si magano.
Okay, ate, unin ko anok ko, ate, ha?
Sa akin yung blue tapos red. Blue. Sa akin yung blue tapos purple sa yung ano, green tapos red. Okay, guys. Let's put this here for our base.
I have a bomb for...
How do you have a bomb? Okay. What should we add? Oh, wait. So, yeah, let's add a chair so we cannot be bored. Coming.
Ate, I have a bomb.
Uy. Aray mo. Spaceship. Sinira ko.
Wee, ate.
Guys, I hope we survive. It's only a playtime though. Bro, I'm not saying playtime ko. It's just Roblox.
Yeah, it's not...
Bruh, I don't need this anymore. Fuck.
Give me this.
Let me pick the larger chair.
Give me a bomb. Give me a bomb. I need a bomb. Ate, gamit natin bomb.
Yep. So, dito ko lalagay yung chair.
Wee.
Z, kailangan natin litan yung ano natin, Z. Kailangan natin litan yung base natin. Hindi yun abot sa limit eh. So, kunin ko muna yung ano na yan.
Ate,
Z, yung notebook na yun, Z, dyan ha. Gamitin natin yan. So, let's get this. Wait, let me fly. Wow.
Ate,
Aray mo, muntik na guys. Muntik na ako guys na ano.
wee. My bomb. My bomb.
By the way, let me put this here. Ayusin.
We have some materials, my inventory though.
Yep. Yeah, see, we can use the planks. So, yep.
Ate,
Let me get...
weapon.
Okay.
It's my son.
Let me... Wow! May notebook. Lagay ko tapar. Di tayo maboard sa ano natin, share.
Ate,
Yeah.
bam bobo tab ko si Molly. Di pa sa Roblox Plus, sa Roblox.
Oh, yeah, guys.
I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry, bro.
Guys. That Z. Yeah.
Don't
like-
bully me.
Yesterday was so wild. Z, no, ayos ko pa. Di pa pantay yung upuan. Upuan. Table.
Ito, mama.
So, guys, yesterday was so wild. Yep. Z cried yesterday because someone bullied him.
Easter,
But-
bro.
Anyways, Z, stop adding it. Bro, I'm gonna add a coffee and a teacup. Let's add a teacup. Bottle of water.
I bet.
Z, alisin mo tong isang hamburger.
Okay.
Add kong tea dyan. Bro, not that one. This one, dude. Ako lang mag-ayos.
Nam.
Ma-add like this.
Ow!
Aray mo, muntik na.
Ate, kaya ba main? I'm safe.
Bro. Bro, why? Oh, bro, that was unexpected.
I thought myself.
Why stab yourself?
I don't know.
Okay, let me pick this up, guys. Guys, our base is kind of getting cooler and cooler. Yep. Okay, so now, guys, what should we add?
Ako na Minecraft test.
Okay. Z, use that, Z. Use that. Oh, Z, don't use that yet.
Mama!
Z, there's a, look, there's a piano here. kunin kong music, Z.
Friends join me. Dig it.
Okay, so now let's go, guys. Our base is kind of getting cooler and cooler. Guys, and remember, we're just playing. And this play is a zombie version. The Robloxians here is the zombie. And we're not done yet. Who is this? Z, who is this? How did she join?
Okay.
Oh, she left. Bro, hello guys. I thought that she was gonna do something. Oh, so that was Z's friend. That's why, guys. Okay, let's add a piano so it's not boring, guys. I thought she was gonna destroy it. Right, Z? Right, Z?
Yeah.
Let's add a piano here.
I open it to try.
Let's put a piano.
No.
Z, add the blocks inside the chest.
Okay. No, wait.
Let's add the blocks inside the chest. Z, itong blocks, Z. Okay. Lagay mo blocks sa loob, Z.
At least lagay ko bomb.
Sige, pwede mo lagay bomb sa loob. Pero magtira ka ng space. Pag Z, wala na Z, kunin natin to. Mang malaking ano. Okay, guys. So, today, yep, let's add more. Z, is it full? Oh no, the red block. Bro, the red block.
Guys, don't play with knife. It's dangerous. Don't play with knife. Don't play.
Guys, don't play with knife in real life. He said it. Bro, even... Are you serious? This could be hurting you, bro. Get out. Put this here. Z, let me get a new storage for our... Yeah. Okay, let's add this. Okay. Z, look, Z, may ano na tayo lagayin Z ng blocks, so...
Okay. And guys, don't. Oh, see.
Z, you keep saying that, dude.
Oh, yeah, see.
Okay, now let's put it here. Dami na natin storage, ah.
Yep.
Z. Okay. Are you serious right now? Z, let go, Z. Look, Z. Ano mo na Z yung ano? Nag-spin na ako.
Man.
I got coconut. 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 Okay, guys, let's add this.
Oh, don't play with bombs.
Z, stop saying that, dude.
Not too many money.
Help me, bro.
Money.
I know. Dito ka Z mag-climb, tas dito Z, oh.
Hey, tell me money. Yeet.
Z, can you help me put this Z? The blocks?
Okay. I don't want to stop there. What do you want?
Guys, let's put the... No, Z! Huwag mo ilagay sa spaceship ko.
The mood.
Guys, it still has space. Perfect. Why is it closing?
It's
Hello?
too many blocks.
Okay.
One is stuck.
Let's add it more, guys. What about the clear one? Let's add it. Whee! Oh, I'm gonna drop it for a sec.
Ow,
Perfect.
my leg.
Z, okay?
Ngit.
Ala, muntik na ako nahulog, guys.
Ate.
Yes, kasha! Kasha, guys, kasha.
Ate, I'm a weapon again.
Yeah.
Get me.
Bro, how can I help you even though I'm still placing the blocks?
Look at my leg.
Yeah, Z, that isn't even real life. Z, it's stuck on your feet forever.
Get me.
Z, don't move!
Oh God, thank you.
Okay, guys. So, today, we're gonna build this base like a maniac. Bro, Z, it's gonna be full storage here, bro. Z, we need more. Okay? Z, kunin mo Z yung isa dyan, Z. Na ano, ganito.
Gawa, okay? I added to the fence.
Okay. Oh, hell no.
Add
Finally. How, bro? How? I'm
Oh,
even...
Snow Secret. Snow not face anymore. This
Z.
one.
Okay.
Brown is so phone.
Z, just move this plank a little more, cause look at this. We have bro. Z, we still need design, bro. We still need design.
Ate,
Okay, let's get this. Papa ko muna to dito sa gilid.
ate,
Oy.
to.
Yep. Okay na yan, Z.
Paalag.
How did you log even though it was a game?
No, I don't want to fall.
Z, don't fall it, please, bro. That is our only chance. I'll help you later, bro.
Wow, it's full again.
Z, I am gonna be the designer, and you are gonna be...
The sensor.
Yeah.
Wow, that.
Bro, what the Sigma? Okay, oh hell.
Wow, stop.
Yes.
In the ground.
Yes. Yeah.
It's stuck in the ground, bro. Dang it.
Z, why did it close again? Did you open it?
Oh, ate, pinto. We have a pinto.
Yeah, pinto, bro. Z, can you literally help me?
Okay. Saan
So take aim and fly away. Never been
let's
so
put this.
wide awake.
Oh, let's put
No,
this. I am bad.
nobody
Let's
but
put this
me
on
can keep me safe. Then
Kaya
see
ako
what
ba?
are doing?
the shadow.
The Sigma
Open eye.
FBI open up. Okay, now perfect.
Ito,
Dami ng storage.
That is Lily Nim. Lily Nim.
Z, get out. Z, I think we're just closing it. Z, kunin mong blocks, Z, while ako maglagay sa loob.
I need this guy again.
No! Muntik na gagi.
I almost crossed in the ground.
No way, the blood moon is on the rise. The fire burning in my... Guys, ang hirap naman pumunta dito. Yan! Pasok na ako. Bigyan mo sa akin yung blocks.
Ako the correct the face down.
Okay, just use that. But erase it later, okay?
Okay.
I'm coming.
Ate, put
Z, give it to me. Dito ako. Jumping. Nagja-jump.
most full.
Bro, I almost fall. Give me it. Give me it, bro.
Okay.
I'm here. Excuse me.
Let's look down.
Bro, I can't.
What?
Bro, hirap pa naman dyan pumunta. Dito, hirap pumunta. Give me it, bro.
Wait lang.
Bro, it's taking so long. I'm coming back there.
Ate, wait.
Okay.
There we go.
There's still storage here, Z. Give me it, bro. Z, are you serious right now? Give me it.
Ow!
The
I bumped my head.
Finally.
And my defense is broken.
What do you mean it's broken?
The window is broken, bro.
Wait, is it totally broken?
I fixed it. It's so hard.
Okay, where is the others? Bro, what the Sigma?
No, my size 14.
Z? The Sigma Z! It's like a car! Z, is it a... Oh, the brown stuck, that's why. The
I made it that.
blood is on
I made it that.
the fire.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, let's add this here. Z, give me the brown, dude. Bro, give me the brown.
I need to fix my size 14. What are you doing?
Z, you literally have a spaceship. And why are you still using that, bro? Give me it. Okay, guys, so, yeah. Did you just... No, I can't reach it.
Why?
Finally, I can reach it.
Ano ba mo?
Okay, see, the blocks is
Dang
done.
it.
I think this is our container.
I I broke it again.
Z, ito na lang container natin. I can't, bro.
You broke it. You broke it.
Z, tanggalin mo to sa pako.
And you broke it again. You broke it.
I broke it?
Not moving.
What do you mean I broke it? You're the one.
I'm going to fix it to broke it.
I don't care. Z, isa.
Sorry.
Ka-flank kita.
Ow, what is that about?
Okay, guys. So, let's add this.
Help me.
And I think the notebook
Help
is
me.
okay.
Help me.
Let's
Help
adjust
me.
it more.
Help me.
I'll use it later.
Look at me. Help
Okay.
me.
Now,
Help me.
sorry, bro. Maybe later.
I need to reset.
Just reset.
Right. Okay, to sa
Okay, guys.
I just spawn my own base.
Guys, he have only 1 life left. If he die, he's gone.
I have 6 life.
Okay. Well, I have 7.
I have 7. Okay, I have 6 life.
Because you die, bro.
But if I reset,
Z?
stop.
Z, I think let's find the last thing that we need to add. Let's add a musician so we can sing and not bored. Let's add it dito, tabi ng katana mo. Kuha pa tayo, Z.
Ate,
Musician.
okay, window to window. Ate,
Yeah.
ano to?
Tulungan mo ko si kunin, Z. Okay, tingnan.
It's so sick.
Sa akin tong song, Z. Sa akin to, Z, ah. Yung Sweet Bird. And guys, also I own my song. Z, I thought you were gonna fly. Dito ako naka-fly eh.
Wee, ate,
Wee!
ate.
Ho! Hi! Ho! Oh! Eh! Bro, I thought I... Z, now that he is...
Okay, I'm
Dead.
I'm stuck.
No! Why? Let's put it there, guys. Perfect again. And why is the notebook like this? Z, gagamitin natin yan Z pag yung war na Z. Z, let's use paint so we're not bored. That's paint, right?
Okay. Then I'll add the fence.
Let's add it here sa tabi ng katana mo.
Bro, I am so...
Bro, Z, are you serious? Come on, dude.
I'm so good.
I've been fixing this. You're just making the base so smaller. Bro, are you serious with me?
Let me look at this.
Hello, Sean. Hi, Sean. Guys, this is my other friend. Yep, and he joined us. Hi, Sean. Hi.
Oi!
I am on a video right now.
Oi!
Ay!
I'm on a video right now. Guys, I'm on a video right now so he can know. Yo. Okay. Okay. So this is his first time in my channel. So guys, we are building. And yo, wait, let me text it. Let me text. Okay, you too? You're in a video right now? You too? By the way, we're playing
Ow, my
Ah.
leg!
zombie and the Robloxians is the zombie. Zombie. Ba't ko sinabi zombie? Zombie. Everyday. Alo siya mina-mina. Okay guys, Z quiet bro. Okay, so let's put Z. Let's add some musicians here. And bro, stop pressing everything, bro. Z, I think our base is done, but we need more designs. Z, Z, please don't make me into Shan, dude. Z, I think we're almost done.
Yeah. Okay.
Sabi daw ni Sam, Minaw. Z, tulon makar! Ay, gun, yan. 2, 3, kailangan natin 3. Bro, what the Sigma?
What is that?
Oh, it's Shan. It's okay, bro. Let's add this here for in case someone
It's okay,
gets in.
bro.
Yo, let's. I'm gonna add something. And the Sigma. The Sigma, guys. What the Sigma? Okay, this kind of okay. Guys, is this okay? I don't know. I'm gonna add the door here. What are you guys singing? Eh. Bro, Zito yung door, Z open. Tapos, Zito open, tapos close, guys. Okay, we close the door. Now let me in. Hello? Hello, ang galing. Z, stop, Z. It's gonna start. It's gonna start. It's gonna start. The game zombie. The zombie game, guys.
It's coming.
In
Coming.
1, 2, 3. Start now. Let's survive, guys. Guys, let's survive. Okay, sabi ni Sean Clarence. So, guys, let's sit here so we can have peace. By the way, Z, it's gonna start. The zombie is there. Oh no, the zombie. Oh no, the zombie.
It's blind though.
Oh no, the zombie.
Noob. Uya, di ba, Bob?
Oh no, the zombie. Z, may ano sa likod. Papasok sila sa likod. Lagay ko plank. Wait. Lagay ko plank. Bro, we're not even done. Okay, that's perfect. How can I get in? FBI, open up. Excuse me. Paano na ako makapasok? Yan. Guys, this is the first time that Shan came to our video and he randomly joined. He randomly joined, right, Z?
No, may bomb, yeah.
And now let's open the door. Oh no, Z! Daming Roblox yan.
Yes. Bye-bye. Takbo.
Oh no, there's
Wait.
too many, guys. Oh no, there's too many. Run! Run. Run! Close the freaking door! Chandali!
Ate Dudoy. Ate move.
Sean, hurry, bro. Sean, hurry, bro. Hurry.
Ay, ate, isot.
Aray, ano ka?
Ate, wait eh. Ate, wait lang. Ate, don't move.
Aray.
Ate, don't move.
Tapos na nga eh.
Ate, we don't move. Wait lang.
Oh,
Ate, don't move.
oo nga. And guys, so, okay. Is it done? Is it done?
Ate, patulong.
Do.
Ate, patulong.
Paano nga? Oh, tapos
Dito.
saan?
Dito.
Dito sa pamo. Okay.
I-open mo ang pinto.
Okay. Tit, tit, tit.
Alice.
Sean, just change it to a video version. This version. Okay. This is my... Man, that's okay. Yeah? Oh no, Z, are you infected? Oh no! Z, let me flung this. Ready? Fire!
Ay, son!
Go!
Son!
Go! Go! I think there's more. I think there's more. Oh no! There's 3 left. Okay, let me text it, guys. Oh no, there's 3 left. Okay, guys, so today, wait. Hurry, guys! We're gonna close it. Can I borrow this? Ay, alam ko par, dami tayong supplies. Daming ano mo. Tinutulungan ko eh. That's why he wants to help you. Okay, let's add more. Okay, bro. Close the door! Close the door! Close the door! Hurry, the incoming bomb! Hello! Aray mo most painful in your life. Don't do this in real life, guys. It's gonna be painful.
Dito, smile na my leg!
Whoa! Jump, jump, jump. Sean, kunin mong spikes. Wait. Sean, kunin mo ang spikes. Sean, kunin mong spikes.
Help me! Help me! Something!
Siya din. Ulo. Patay ka na din. Okay.
Have 6 life food eh.
So guys, I have to tell you guys something. The video ends here because all the zombies are dead and our base is protected. And goodbye everyone.
Bye!
Bye.
Bye!
This is the special video. It's because for 50 subs. Goodbye everyone.
Adios
Have a
tayo.
nice day.